Hola ducklings, and welcome to Tashi's Treats. I'm Tubed and Tashi, and today we are making some wonderful homemade pinto beans. You guys are really gonna like these. Super easy. Now, this morning when it was still dark out and it was dreary and gross, I went ahead and I measured out 3 cups of dry pinto beans, and I put them in this bowl, and I filled the bowl to within an inch of the top, and just let it sit until the end of the day. It's been about 8 hours, and we're gonna go ahead and first we rinsed these and sorted them, made sure there was no bad ones or little stones or whatever, and then we soaked them. I've drained them. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the pot, inside the big pot, and to this I'm going to add some delicious Anaheim chilies. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon each of garlic powder and dried minced onions. And I'm also going to put in about a tablespoon of cumin, which I only had that much left inside my container, so boop, he's gone. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some water and put it on the burner. I'll be bringing it up to a boil, and then I'm going to reduce it to medium low and let it set for about 2 hours. So this is a good one to get started the minute you get home. Okay guys, our beans are all nice and done. Look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? Wow. They smell so good, and they are totally delicious. I've already had some. I had some with my tortillas that I made, which beautiful together. Now, let me give you a hint. Next week, I'm going to be having some fajitas, and I don't want to have to go through this process of making the beans again. So what you can do is go ahead and freeze the beans, because if you leave them in your fridge for a week, you're going to be opening up a big old container of fart, so which is really nasty. So go ahead with the leftovers, put them in a baggie once they're cool, pop them in the freezer. Then, whenever you're ready to make them again, you can go ahead, add about 1/4 cup of lard for, I would say, well, maybe more like a tablespoon of lard for the amount that I would say to make for about 2 cups. You want about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of lard. And go ahead and get out your hand mixer, whip them up, make yourself your own refried beans. Refried doesn't mean that they're fried twice. It means they're cooked once and that they're blended. It's basically hummus, but it's gonna taste like this, which is delicious. So there you go, two recipes in one. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed our time together today. I know I did, Lily did too. Why don't you take care of yourself? Be blessed, be a blessing, and come back safely to me. This has been Tashi's Treats, and I'm Tubed and Tashi. Have a great day.